Hey, we back. We is back. Check it out. We got this video. These videos is like people playing these games that can be very dangerous, detrimental to your health. I wouldn't do that, and I wouldn't do it to somebody like me because I'm not gonna play with you. You coming in my house. So, all right, let's get into this video. Yeah. Oh yeah. Don't do it. Please don't do it. I'm a peaceful brother. Peaceful brother. Please don't do it. Don't do it.
Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands!
Ooh. Oh. Oh. Where he going now? He must have got away. Oh, stole the car. Jumping in the backyards. Don't jump in this one. Please don't do it. I have zero tolerance for stupidity. Disclaimer. Oh. Oh. Oh, you got your fake Chanel on. Your sister's Chanel. I mean. Oh yeah, you definitely got your sister's Chanel on. Oh, you are up to no good, my friend. Oh yeah, please don't do it. Yeah, you better run. See, videos like this kind of bother me because I have a strong will to protect and prevent people from coming at my property, and yeah, and I have a zero tolerance for thieves.
Hello?
I don't like them.
What happened? I'm trying to figure out. Hello?
I'm trying to figure out what you trying to figure out.
Does somebody stay here?
Yeah, what you need?
I mean, I asked if somebody stay here. I thought the house
What do you
was
mean?
for sale.
No. Yeah, we not selling the house.
Not selling the house no more?
You mean the house next door, right?
Well, I seen it for sale, so I'm not sure. I thought maybe I can get some information as well.
No, you got the wrong house, bro.
Hey, maybe it's the one for sale.
Nah, the house not for sale.
All right.
Thank you.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, no problem.
You knew the house wasn't for sale, bro. You just tweaking. Yeah, you tweaking. You thought it was something. You thought you was gonna make an easy come up or something. Woo. What's up with this, bruh? Golly. What you doing? Huh? I think you're talking to yourself. Dr. Seaman, I mean. Across the street. Mentally ill or on drugs. Okay. Alright. Yeah, that makes sense. New Orleans. This how y'all doing? Yeah. Thank you, Jesus. Look, I got on my Jesus shirt. Thank you, Jesus. Please don't run up on me like that. Thank you, Jesus. I can't stand people that try to do stuff like this. It ain't yours. You know it ain't yours. And you try to take stuff from, ooh. Ooh. There you go, trying to take something that ain't yours. Run! Oh. Oh. Fake ass dog. Fake ass ring dog. You put the ring dog on him? Guess that's the SWAT. Also the K9 with them choppers hovering the stay indoors. Huh? Yeah. Stay inside. This thing happened this morning at 3:06 in the morning. 3:06 in the morning. Oh, there's my package. Amazon. Why you sit up there and tempt these people like this? Why you? Now you know that ain't your package. Amazon. You're going to have to do better than that, bro. You put my damn package out there for everybody on the street to see it. Like, temptation. You gave everybody in the neighborhood temptation to take that man's package. That's on Amazon. What? Robbery. Air compressor. You going to jail. Robbery. You just burglarized and people say, hi, it's me, Melinda. Come to check and see if this package is yours. See if they left my Amazon package on your porch. Oh, look around. Nope. Let me put it in my bag. Kind of heavy. Might have some good shit in here. Oh, under my arm. All right. Have a good day. I ain't even gonna close the gate. Fuck it. I think.
Get out!
Get out. Thank you. Ring camera. I'm just saying. If you didn't know before, you know now. Cammasker is the #1 way to hide your Ring camera. They didn't have to pay me for that. And we out. We gone. Next video.